of the airwaves, lucky of the orange couch behind my Valentine's card. Happy Valentine's Day. It is February 14, 2021, and it is Valentine's Day. I'm adding, you see a jib jab video of my love for chocolate. This year, I vote chocolate. Yes. The other thing is the beautiful surprise in the morning is what happened. If in doubt, if we have enough dog friends in this park, look at the video. Everybody was there. We saw almost all friends we have in the morning at the same time. So this was wonderful. Love was in the air. All the doggies were there. Beautiful. I will read to you what Sarah Van Brannock put for February 14th. Okay. How about if you need to find your dreams again? It takes great love and courage to excavate buried dreams. Today is the day to be set aside for love, a perfect occasion for going within and for glancing back with affection and understanding at your real life journey so far. Once we were going to set the world on fire, remember that? Today we all have our share of ashes, along with the memory of a few bright sparks to show for our efforts. Over the years, we have buried many a precious dream under layers of soot and rubble, layers of naivete, good intentions, relinquishment, bitter failures, detours, disappointments, rejections, wrong choices, bad timing, bungled efforts, stupid mistakes, unforeseen circumstances, whims of fate, and missed opportunities. It's no wonder that we'll need courage to retrace our steps. But courage is the price that life extracts for granting us peace. And this was a quote from a pilot, Amelia Earhart. The dream was always running ahead of you. To catch up, to live for a moment in union with it, now that is a miracle. I wish you all the love. I'm sending you actually a hurricane of my Bulgarian Canadian love. You don't have to wait one more day to feel love, but I'm sending you this every single day, on Valentine's Day and on every day, as Martina says in her card. Be happy. Tomorrow is already Monday, and it will be February 15th. And yes, I always get red lipstick on my teeth. It looks like everybody gets a piece of chicken.